Students, now get ready with your textbook, page number 91, exercise 4.4. Here, the first question is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. The first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, find what is A, B and C. A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x and C is the constant term. So, in this question, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 5. How will you find the nature of the roots? By finding the discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4AC. Discriminant B square minus 4AC is B square, that is negative 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. 4 into A into C. Minus 3 the whole square is 9. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5, 40. 9 minus 40, that is negative 31. Negative 31. You got a negative number. That is B square minus 4AC is less than 0. What did you learn in the previous slides? If B square minus 4AC is less than 0, the equation will not have any real roots. Hence, the equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 has no real roots. Next question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. As said before, the first thing you have to do is write what is A, B and C. Here A is 3, B is minus 4 root 3, C is 4. Find the discriminant. B square minus 4AC equal to minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Here you will get 48 minus 48. That is 0. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. That is, you will have two equal real roots. What is that? Minus B by 2A. Minus B by 2A. That is minus B. Minus B means minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. How did you get that? 3 and 3 get, root 3 and 3 get cancels. You will get root 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore, the roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Students, do you have any confusion in cancelling this? Here, you know, root 3 by 3. I can write 3 as root 3 by root 3 into root 3. This 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3. So how can I cancel? This root 3 and this root 3 I can cancel. That root 3 is coming here. So don't get confused. This is how I cancelled root 3 and 3. Hope you understood it. Next one, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Here discriminant you got as 12. 12 is not a perfect square, so you will get an irrational number. How will you get that? Here 12. 12 I can write it as 4 into 3. Correct? So if I write root 12, I can write it as root of 4 into 3. This 4 I can take out as a square root. What is the square root of 4? It is 2. So I took 4 outside. What is remaining here? 3. This is how 2 root 3 came here. Okay. Instead of root 12, I wrote 2 root 3. Hope it is clear. Now I took 2 outside. 6. 3 and 2 also outside. And I then cancelled it. Clear? So the two distinct real roots are 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. I told you they are irrational numbers because root is coming here. Okay. 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. Next question. The question is, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. They have two equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac should be 0. Here a is 2, b equal to k, c equal to 3. What is the condition to have two equal roots? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, substituting the values, you will get k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. K is equal to root of 24. Here also the same thing happened, children. That is root 24. Root 24. I can write it as root 4 into 6. This 4 I took it out of the square root. I'll get 2 root 6. This is how I split it, or I took 4 outside. So plus or minus 2 root 6. The next one. The same question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. If you see a bracket, first remove the bracket. Kx into x is kx square. Kx into minus 2 is minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. What is the condition of having two equal roots? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here a is k, b is minus 2k, c is 6. Now finding or substituting the values in b square minus 4ac equal to 0, you will get 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Here you can see the coefficients are 4 and 24. 4 is a common term, so I cancelled it. So dividing it with 4, I got k square minus 6k equal to 0. Taking minus 6k to the other side, it becomes positive. K square equal to 6k. 1k and 1k get cancelled. That is k square means k into k equal to 6k. 6 into k. Okay, 1k and 1k get cancels. Finally, you will get k is equal to 6. Next question. Here you have a question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So, you are talking about a rectangle groove, mango groove. So, you know what is the area of a rectangle? It's length into breadth. The relation between length and breadth is given in your question. If breadth is x, the length is 2x, because the relation given is length is twice its breadth. Given that area is equal to 800 meters square. So, when I multiply 2x into x, that is length into breadth, you will get 800. 2x square is equal to 800. This 2 I am taking to the other side. X square is equal to 400. X is equal to plus or minus 20. Here you cannot take the negative value because you are finding a length. So as length cannot be negative, x is equal to 20 meter. What is x? X is breadth. So what is length? 2 into breadth. 2 into 20 is 40 meter. Next question. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So if you are taking the age of one friend as x, the other will be 20 minus x. What is given in your question? The product of their ages 4 years ago. What will happen 4 years ago? What would have happened? It will be minus 4. X minus 4 and 16 minus x. How did you get 16 minus x? 20. The present age is 20 minus x. 4 years ago means I will subtract 4. Isn't it? What is 20 minus 4? It is 16. That is how I got 16 minus x. So, 4 years ago, the second person will be 16 minus x. Multiply it and you will get the quadratic equation as x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now, what will you do? You will find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Here, the discriminant is negative 48. Will you get a real root for this? No. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you will not get any real roots. So, the following situation is not possible. Next question is about perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is given as 80. So, length plus breadth is 2 into length plus breadth is 80. I am taking this 2 to the other side. So, 80 divided by 2, 40. If I take breadth as x, the length will be 40 minus x. Area is given as 400. That is x into 40 minus x is 400 meters square. Expanding, you will get x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Discriminant is 0. So the breadth will be 20 and length will be 20 meter.